Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing with you decorating a half bathroom, and this is for a male client. So we're going to keep it really masculine, and the style of this space is modern industrial with a little bit of rustic, but overall I love the way that it turned out. So to start, we decided to use a peel and stick wallpaper. Wanted it to have like a stone background. That's what he wanted. He really likes that. So it was super easy for us to install ourselves. This took one roll to do this side wall right here. So I'm just going to show you how I put it up. Super easy. It's one of the easiest ways that you can update a space is to add wallpaper. And if you want to cut back on the labor cost of it, then you just do it yourself or get peel and stick wallpaper. When it gets to the end of the wallpaper at the bottom by the molding, sometimes you have a little bit that runs over. I just take my razor and cut along that crease, and it instantly peels off and becomes a perfect line. So my little helper was here and he wanted to peek his head in and say hello to you guys. I had the chair there so that he couldn't come inside and he is trying his best to get through this door. So one of the features I like about this bathroom is that it has a dimmer, so it can get really bright or it can go really dim, which gives a really nice ambiance. So this is the finished wallpaper and it looks so good. I really like the way that the wall looks, and this wall actually faces the door, so it's the perfect viewing for when you first come into his home. You can actually see inside this half bathroom. So now that this part is done, we can start decorating and adding all of our accents and accessories.
To keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it let out some steam. I'm not the one to say never, never say never. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it. Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it. Sometimes I love too hard. Sometimes you go too far. Cool down, my love. Cool down, my love. Yeah. Sometimes there's attraction. It's hard to keep up with your passion. So cool down, my love. Cool down, my love. Sometimes I wanna give all of me. Sometimes I wanna scream, oh my God, you got me in so much trouble now. Sometimes I just wanna tell you to stop, so you don't go and break my heart. I'm so confused, babe, I just don't know. So now I gotta make up my mind. Do I wanna leave it all behind? I can't let you go so easily. 'Cause baby, we got chemistry. We got something special. But you want the whole world. Cool down, my love. Cool down, my love. Sometimes I wanna give all of me. Sometimes I wanna scream, oh my God, you got me in so much trouble now. Sometimes I just wanna tell you to stop, so you don't go and break my heart. I'm so confused, babe, I just don't know.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this decorate with me half bathroom video. I really do love the way that it turned out. Definitely wanted to keep it masculine in this space. So I will see you all in my next video. Bye, Daisies. Thanks so much for watching.